Hello, so I want to talk to you today about staff burnout. Nearly half staff are affected by burnout, and this can have a huge impact on staff. It can have a huge impact on organisations. Productivity is reduced. There's an impact on morale. So your staff are your biggest commodity, not the latest marketing campaign or advertising or your social media campaign. You really need to look after your staff. And this is an area I specialise in. I've written a blog about this very subject, talking about how stress and burnout can impact on all areas of our business. And I've put some top tips in there as well that you can teach your staff and you can teach yourselves. And I've attached a link of that blog to this video. So if you want to know any more, please drop me a message, and I want to know all about your staff wellbeing strategy and what you do have in place, because it really does impact on you, on your business. And I'll speak to you very soon. Take care.